Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Learn English with Bonach. Aha ni kuri Kwiga Icyongereza na Bonach. Today we are going to learn sentences. Uyu munsi tugiye kuba twakwiga interuro. Did you know that you can be able to speak English when you know sentences, even before you get to know advanced grammar? Waba warigeze umenya yuko ushobora kuvuga Icyongereza mu gihe uzi interuro utari wamenya ikibonezamvugo kigiye hejuru? That's right. You can be able to speak English when you know enough sentences. Wabasha kuvuga Icyongereza uzi interuro zihagije. Today, that's what we're gonna do. Uyu munsi nibyo tugiye kuba twakora. And I want to tell you that we have this book of 5,000 English sentences. Dufite iki gitabo kirimo interuro 5,000 z'Icyongereza. Now, if you want to learn with us, we can teach you. If you are in USA, Canada, Europe, or any part of the world, and you feel like you want to learn with us, we can teach you via Zoom. Uri muri Amerika, muri Canada, muri Europe n'ahandi hose ku isi, wifuza kwigana natwe, twakwigisha kuri Zoom. Enough for introduction. Let's dive into the lesson of today. Reka twinjire mu isomo y'uyu munsi. Let's learn these sentences. Reka twige izi interuro. Interuro 400 z'Icyongereza ndetse n'Ikinyarwanda. Let's do this. Reka tubikore.
Today we are going to see frequently used sentences. Uno munsi tugiye kureba interuro zikunda gukoreshwa, which can help you to improve your everyday English. Zishobora kuba zagufasha kongera Icyongereza usanzwe uzi, and to develop your own sentences. Ndetse zikaba zagufasha kurema interuro zawe. Subscribe for more great content. Kora subscribe kugira ngo uzabone izindi video nziza. And like to support the channel. Ndetse ukore na like kugira ngo utere inkunga ino channel. And if you know someone who very much need to learn English, ndetse niba uzi umuntu ukeneye kwiga Icyongereza cyane, spread the good news. Umuhe amakuru meza about this channel, yerekeye ino channel. Why are you so late? Why are you so late? Kuki wakerewe cyane? Sorry, I missed the first bus. Sorry, I missed the first bus. Nukumbabarira, bisi ya mbere yansize. How is the weather? How is the weather? Ikirere kimeze gite? It's sunny and hot. It's sunny and hot. Hari izuba ndetse harashyushye. How do you feel? How do you feel? Urumva umeze ute? I feel much better now. I feel much better now. Ubu ndumva meze neza. How did you know him? How did you know him? Wamumenye ute? We were old friends. We were old friends. Twahoze turi inshuti. How many people are there in your class? How many people are there in your class? Mu ishuri ryawe harimo abantu bangahe? There are 30 of them. There are 30 of them. Ni 30. How come you failed the test? How come you failed the test? Kuki watsinzwe ikizamini? I hope I will pass next time. I hope I will pass next time. Nizeye ko nzatsinda ubutaha. Where have you been? Where have you been? Wari urihe? I have been in my bedroom all day. I have been in my bedroom all day. Nari ndi mu cyumba cyanjye umunsi wose. Who told you the secret? Who told you the secret? Ninde wakubwiye ibanga? Navena did. She told me everything. Navena did. She told me everything. Navena niwe wambwiye ibanga. Yambwiye buri kimwe. What time do you open? What time do you open? What time do you open? Ufungura ryari? We open at 8 in the morning. Dufungura saa 2 za mu gitondo. What time do you close? What time do you close? Mufunga ryari? We close at 12. We close at 12. Dufunga saa 6. What time does the show start? What time does the show start? Imyiyereko itangira ryari? It starts at 10. It starts at 10. Itangira saa 4. What time does the flight leave? Indege igenda ryari? It leaves at 5. It leaves at 5. Igenda saa 11. What's this? This is a computer. What's this? This is a computer. Iki niki ni mudasobwa. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Urashonje? Yes, I'm starving. Yes, I'm starving. Yego, inzara iranyishe. Do you drive a car? Do you drive a car? Utwara imodoka?
Wait, my friend. Wait. If when you are speaking, you feel like you don't have enough words to use to express your ideas, niba igihe uri kuvuga ujya wumva amagambo akubana make yo gusobanura ibitekerezo byawe cyangwa utambutsa ubutumwa ushaka gutambutsa, this is a book for you. Iki gitabo kirimo inyunguramagambo z'Ikinyarwanda ndetse n'Icyongereza, English and Kinyarwanda dictionary. I'm telling you, this is a book that you will thank me if you get it. Iki gitabo nukibona uzanshimira. Next one, we have this book here. Iki gitabo kirimo dialogue cyangwa se ibiganiro. Igitabo cy'ibiganiro cyagufasha kuba watambutsa ubutumwa ku buryo bwiza cyane, kuko harimo topics zitandukanye, ndetse kuri buri topic hakaba harimo dialogue eshatu zigiye zitandukanye zagufasha kuba waganira n'abantu. Izi dialogue zirimo zisobanuye no mu Kinyarwanda, hakabamo irregular verbs, hakabamo phrasal verbs. I'm telling you, this is a book that you need. Iki ni gitabo ukeneye. And here with me again, I have another book. Mfite ikindi gitabo hano cya understanding verbs, cyo gufasha gusobanukirwa inshinga. Iyo dusobanura ibikorwa tuvuga byose ni inshinga burya tuba dukoresha. If you need to understand verbs, this is a book that can help you. Kirimo regular verbs ndetse kuri buri nshinga hakabaho urugero kuri buri nshinga. Ikindi nanone kiyongera ku iki gitabo harimo irregular verbs, inshinga zidakurikiza amategeko, hakabamo na modal verbs. Modal verbs ni inshinga z'icyiciro cya kabiri dukoresha twunganira. Of course, n'icyiciro cya mbere auxiliary verbs nazo zirimo zisobanuye neza. Nanone hakiyongeramo 12 tenses, ibihe 12 by'icyongereza. If you need one of our books, you can just let us know. Dufite n'ibindi bitabo, dufite igitabo cy'abatangizi, dufite igitabo kirimo interuro 5,000, tukagira igitabo kirimo phrasal verbs. I'm telling you, dufite igitabo kirimo grammar. If you need one of our books, just contact us. You can get our number and let us know. We can help you to get the book. Let's continue the lesson. Reka dukomeze isomo ry'uyu munsi.
Yes, it's a truck. Yes, it's a truck. Yego, ntwara ikamyo. Are you okay? Are you okay? Umeze neza? Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah, I'm fine. Yego, meze neza. Do you feel sick? Do you feel sick? Urumva urwaye? No, I feel fine. No, I feel fine. Oya, ndumva meze neza. Are you sick? Are you sick? Urarwaye? Yeah, I have a slight cold. Yeah, I have a slight cold. Yego, mfite ibicurane bidakabije. How do you feel today? How do you feel today? Urumva umerewe ute uyu munsi? I feel great today. I feel great today. Ndumva meze neza cyane uyu munsi. When are you leaving? When are you leaving? Uragenda ryari? I'm leaving on Monday. I'm leaving on Monday. Nzagenda kuwa mbere. What time are you leaving? What time are you leaving? Uragenda gihe ki? I'm leaving at 4 o'clock. I'm leaving at 4 o'clock. Ndagenda saa 10 zuzuye. Where are your friends? Where are your friends? Inshuti zawe zirihe? They went to a restaurant. They went to a restaurant. Zagiye kuri restaurant. Are there a lot of people there? Are there a lot of people there? Haba hariyo abantu benshi? No, only like 10. No, only like 10. Oya, ni nk'icumi gusa. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? Uri kureba iki? I'm looking at a map of the city. I'm looking at a map of the city. Ndi kureba ku ikarita y'umujyi. What are you watching right now? What are you watching right now? Uri kureba iki nonaha? I'm watching the TV. I'm watching the TV. Ndi kureba televiziyo. Do you know what this thing is? Do you know what this thing is? Uzi iki cyari cyo? No, I don't. No, I don't. Oya, ntacyo nzi. Is it going to be sunny today? Is it going to be sunny today? Haraza kuba hari izuba uyu munsi? No, the forecast says it is going to be rainy. No, the forecast says it is going to be rainy. Oya, iteganyagihe rivuga ko haraza kugwa imvura. Is it going to rain today? Is it going to rain today? Imvura iraza kugwa uyu munsi? No, I don't think so. No, I don't think so. Oya, siko mbitekereza. What are you wearing? What are you wearing? Uraza kwambara iki? I will wear a hat. I will wear a hat. Ndaza kwambara ingofero. Who is that? Who is that? Uriya ninde? That is John. That is John. Uriya ni John. How is he? How is he? Ameze ate? He's great. He's great. Ameze neza cyane. Are you afraid? Are you afraid? Ufite ubwoba? No, I'm not afraid of anything. No, I'm not afraid of anything. Oya, nta kintu na kimwe mfitiye ubwoba. Are you ready? Are you ready? Uriteguye? Yes, I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready. Yego nditeguye. Are you busy? Are you busy? Urahuze? At the moment, I am not. At the moment, I am not. Nonaha ntabwo mpuze. Does this taste good? Does this taste good? Ibi biraryoshye? No, it doesn't taste good. No, it doesn't taste good. Oya, ntabwo biryoshye. Do you have the time? Do you have the time? Ufite umwanya? Yeah, I'm almost done. Yeah, I'm almost done. Yego, ngiye kurangiza. This is yours, isn't it? This is yours, isn't it? Iki ni icyawe, sibyo? No, it's not mine. No, it's not mine. Oya, ntabwo ari icyanjye. What size shoe do you wear? What size shoe do you wear? Wambara inkweto zingana zite? I wear size 12. I wear size 12. Nambara 12. Would you like to come with us? Would you like to come with us? Ushaka kujyana natwe? Yeah, that would be great. Yeah, that would be great. Yego, byaba ari byiza. How soon can you pay me back? How soon can you pay me back? Ni hafi bingana iki waba unyishyuye? I can pay you back tomorrow. Nakwishyura ejo. Would you go there again? Would you go there again? Uzasubirayo? No way. It was terrible. Ntibishoboka. Byari bibi cyane. Would you go there again? Would you go there again? Urumva wasubirayo? No way. It was terrible. No way. It was terrible. Ntibishoboka. Byari bibi cyane. Where are you going? Where are you going? Ugiye he? I'm going to the store. I'm going to the store. Ngiye ku isoko. Can you play tennis? Can you play tennis? Washobora gukina tennis? No, I play football. No, I play football. Oya, nkina umupira w'amaguru. It's beautiful day, isn't it? It's beautiful day, isn't it? Ni umunsi mwiza, sibyo? Yes, it's beautiful. Yego, ni mwiza. Do you think Spanish is difficult? Do you think Spanish is difficult? Utekereza ko Icyesipanyolo gikomeye? Yes, it's very difficult for me. Yes, it's very difficult for me. Yego, kirankomereye. When are you coming back? When are you coming back? Uzagaruka ryari? I'll be back on Tuesday. I'll be back on Tuesday. Nzagaruka kuwa kabiri. Did you and Nicole like the movie? Did you and Nicole like the movie? Filime yarangiye Nicole ayikunze. Does she have a car? Does she have a car? Afite imodoka? No, she doesn't. No, she doesn't. Oya, ntayo afite. We are lost, aren't we? We are lost, aren't we? Twatakaye, sibyo? Do you know how to use this? Do you know how to use this? Uzi uko bakoresha iki? No, I don't know how to use this at all. No, I don't know how to use this at all. Oya, sinzi gukoresha iki na gato. Do you like the school uniform? Do you like the school uniform? Ukunda impuzangano y'ishuri? Actually, we don't wear uniforms at school. Actually, we don't wear uniforms at school. Mu by'ukuri ntabwo twambara imyambaro y'ishuri. Do you know how to use this? Do you know how to use this? Uzi uko bakoresha iki? No, I don't know how to use this at all. No, I don't know how to use this at all. Oya, sinzi gukoresha iki na gato. Do you like the school uniform? Do you like the school uniform? Ukunda impuzangano y'ishuri? Actually, we don't wear uniforms at school. Actually, we don't wear uniforms at school. Mu by'ukuri ntabwo twambara imyambaro y'ishuri. Yes, what kind are they? Yego, ni ubuhe bwoko? Yes, what kind are they? Yego, ni ubuhe bwoko? Excuse me, do you have a minute? Excuse me, do you have a minute? Munyihanganire, mufite akanya. What do you want? What do you want? Ushaka iki? I would like to ask you something. I would like to ask you something. Hari icyo nashakaga kukubaza. When is the last time you saw him? When is the last time you saw him? Ni ryari umuherukira? I saw him in August at John's. Namubonye mu kwa kane kwa John. I can't believe what I'm seeing. I can't believe what I'm seeing. Sindi kwizera ibyo ndi kubona. What are you doing? What are you doing? Uri gukora iki? I'm planning next week journey. I'm planning next week journey. Ndi gutegura urugendo rw'icyumweru gitaha. What do you think about the movie? What do you think about the movie? Filime urayibona ute? It's one of the best I've ever seen. It's one of the best I've ever seen. Ni imwe mu nziza nigeze mbona. When will the meeting start? When will the meeting start? Inama iratangira ryari? No one really knows. No one really knows. Nta n'umwe ubizi neza. When are you leaving? When are you leaving? Uragenda ryari? I think I will leave in the afternoon. I think I will leave in the afternoon. Ntekereza ko ndi bugende nyuma ya saa sita. Where is my bracelet? Where is my bracelet? Agakomo kanjye karihe? I don't know where you have put it. I don't know where you have put it. Sinzi aho wagashyize. Where do you live? Where do you live? Utuye he? Why do you want to know it? Why do you want to know it? Kuki ushaka kubimenya? I was just asking. I was just asking. Nari ndi kwibariza gusa. Okay, I live nearby here. Okay, I live nearby here. Sawa, ntuye hafi aha. Who do you love the most in your family? Who do you love the most in your family? Ninde ukunda cyane mu muryango wawe? To be honest with you, my mom comes first. To be honest with you, my mom comes first. Nkubwije ukuri, mama niwe wa mbere. Who told you that story? Who told you that story? Ninde wakubwiye iyo nkuru? It's my grandma. It's my grandma. Ni nyogokuru. Whom did you meet in the morning? Whom did you meet in the morning? Ninde mwahuye mu gitondo? I met my old friend James. I met my old friend James. Nahuye n'inshuti yanjye ya kera James. Whom was Jim talking to? Whom was Jim talking to? Jim yarari kuvugana nande? He was talking to Jack, his roommate. He was talking to Jack, his roommate. Yarari kuvugana na Jack, babana mu cyumba. Which one do you choose? Which one do you choose? Uhisemo iyihe? I think purple is great. I think purple is great. Ntekereza ko isine ariyo nziza. Which drink would you like? Which drink would you like? Ni ikihe kinyobwa ushaka? Pineapple juice will be fine. Pineapple juice will be fine. Mumpaye umutobe w'inanasi byaba ari byiza. Whose socks are these? Whose socks are these? Ano masogisi ni ayande. I think they are Peter's. I think they are Peter's. Ntekereza ko ari aya Peter. Why is he crying? Why is he crying? Kuki ari kurira? His family member passed away. His family member passed away. Umuntu wo mu muryango we yitabye Imana. How can you explain this problem? How can you explain this problem? Iki kibazo wagisobanura ute? I have nothing to do with it. I have nothing to do with it. Ntaho mpuriye nacyo. But you can share your views. But you can share your views. Ariko wavuga uko nawe ubyumva. I don't want to stress myself. I don't want to stress myself. Sinshaka kwitesha umutwe. What does he do for living? What does he do for living? Atunzwe n'iki? He's a chef at a famous hotel. He's a chef at a famous hotel. Ni umutetsi muri hoteli izwi cyane. Who gave you this beautiful present? Who gave you this beautiful present? Ninde waguhaye iyi mpano nziza? It's my cousin who gave it to me. It's my cousin who gave it to me. Mubyara wanjye niwe wayimpaye. What is your mom doing? What is your mom doing? Mama wawe ari gukora iki? She's cooking in the kitchen. She's cooking in the kitchen. Ari guteka mu gikoni. What will happen if our team lose this time? What will happen if our team lose this time? Biragenda ute ikipe yacu nitsindwa kuri iyi nshuro? We will be out of the game. We will be out of the game. Turasezererwa mu mukino. When will the bus arrive? When will the bus arrive? Bus iraza ryari? Bus will arrive in half an hour. Bus will arrive in half an hour. Bus iraza mu gice cy'isaha. When does she get up? When does she get up? Abyuka ryari? She gets up at 6 a.m. She gets up at 6 a.m. Abyuka saa 12 za mu gitondo. When did the party end? When did the party end? Ibirori byarangiye ryari? It ended before 8 p.m. It ended before 8 p.m. Byarangiye mbere ya saa 2 z'ijoro. When are you going to visit Celeste? When are you going to visit Celeste? Uzajya gusura Celeste ryari? I have not given it a thought. I have not given it a thought. Ntabwo ndabitekerezaho. Who did you see yesterday? Who did you see yesterday? Wabonye nde ejo hashize? I saw Kevin and his girlfriend. I saw Kevin and his girlfriend. Nabonye Kevin n'umukobwa bakundana. I'm going to invite all my classmates. I'm going to invite all my classmates. Ndaza gutumira abanyeshuri bose twigana. Do as you wish. Do as you wish. Ukora ibyo ushaka. Why don't we visit him now? Why don't we visit him now? Kuki tutamusura nonaha? That's good idea. That's good idea. Icyo ni igitekerezo cyiza. Why did you leave so early? Why did you leave so early? Kuki wagiye kare? Because I didn't like the chaos in the party. Because I didn't like the chaos in the party. Nukubera ntakunze akavuyo kari mu birori. Why do you think that he loves you? Why do you think that he loves you? Kuki utekereza ko agukunda? Because he bought me an expensive gift on Valentine's Day. Because he bought me an expensive gift on Valentine's Day. Nukubera ko yanguriye impano ihenze ku munsi w'abakundana. That shouldn't be enough to conclude that he loves you. That shouldn't be enough to conclude that he loves you. Ibyo ntabwo bihagije ngo wanzure ko agukunda.